our daughters are friends. I think that makes us friends. I'm Hunter.
I'm Lisa. That's my Julie.
I'm Mitchell. Kayla's hero.
We the life of the party.
I can't believe it's prom. They're so grown up.
I can't even hug my daughter anymore without feeling her boobs. Just high fives from now on, okay?
Julie left her laptop open.
You guys are snooping on our kids?
No.
We don't understand what they're saying, so it's not snooping.
Oh my god, I love puzzles.
Some about an eggplant.
In teenage emoji, eggplants are dicks.
Wait, what?
All emojis have a secret meaning, so like trees are weed, and this thing is Yas Queen.
Yas, queen.
So she's gonna get roses, kiss, and then touch his dick eggplant.
Look at all that drool coming out of the smiley face.
That's jizz.
Stand down.
It is. Look, it's comfy, but this is a sex pact. They're planning on losing their virginity on prom night.
Maybe it's not sex. They're just saying, hey, you're okay with me. You're okay with me.
Baby,
No, I fucking knew it.
our girls are not thinking things through. I'm gonna stop them.
I'm in.
Let's cockblock those motherfuckers.
This is our last big night together. This pact is gonna make tonight even more perfect.
You're getting away.
WWVDD.
What would Vin Diesel do? In times of crisis, parents are known to have superhuman strength.
I can do this.
What the fuck?
This is so messed up. Did your dad try to stop you when you wanted to lose your virginity?
He was too busy high-fiving me.
I'll do anything for my daughter.
What about a little chugging contest?
Bring it. Wait, what?
We're butt chugging.
You got this, dog.
No, I'm tagging out. You're in.
What?
You've had a baby. Everything's looser down there.
I don't have a baby out of my butt. On the count of 3. 1.
Oh, not a fan.
I am tripping so hard. I just had a vision. My dad was chugging beer through his asshole.
I can't do anymore.
Pose, Brian! Pose! Pose! Oh! Aspen! Oh! Oh!
I would do